Yo guys, I'm on the middle of the Campuhan Reach walk today in Ubud, so stay tuned. This is a very interesting vlog. I never vlog here. I mean, once I've been here, but only like 1 or 2 minutes, but today will be complete vlog from this place. But first of all, we need to start from the beginning. Here is the entrance to the Campuhan Reach walk track path. However, there is also hotel around, and meanwhile, that's how it looks, the area around. This is where I'm heading to today, and there's the beautiful river, but it's also here is beautiful temple and already jungle vibe. But anyway, we're heading this direction today. Sound of the river, sound of nature, and the beautiful old temple here. The first couple of 100 meters are very hard. You have to go up all the time like this, but even small kids also going up, so I'm gonna make it, right? All right, I'm close to the top. Here used to be a warung some time ago. I think last year I was here last time and was still warung here and swing. Unfortunately left apart, and this is the view of the Ubud, this side of the Ubud. I left the car somewhere there, so the first 200-300 meters are very challenging. Alright guys, I'm nearly on the top of the Campuhan Ridge walk. This is like a 1200, 1300 meters long path from the Ubud center going to some residential area of Ubud. It's attraction free of charge. However, first maybe 200-300 meters are very challenging. It's going very uphill, and obviously through the jungle, stuff like this. It's very hot. However, I'm gonna show you this place today. I'm planning today to walk all distance long. Hopefully I can make it. However, unfortunately, wearing the mask like this one is makes me like I don't really wanna walk here, to be honest. So I would appreciate if you're gonna watch my journey till the end. However, if it feels boring, I understand if you're gonna switch off anyway. Okay, it's hard to breathe, but I'm gonna keep doing. So there is even some interest to walking here afternoon. Just make sure whenever you come here you wear some proper shoe, because as you see the path here is very challenging. Definitely not recommended to walking with your flip-flops here, but yeah, that's how it looks like. And this is how it looks Ubud from the top of the canyon, could say. Just don't know what is the construction over there. Seems like abandoned already for a long time. And on the other side is the another canyon. Basically we are walking on the top of the canyon. Here at the front is some lovely local family passing, walking around, and here is also very nice picture point through the grass, and you can see the beautiful canyon over here, and there are some villas at the front. It's cloudy today, but that's actually good. All right, I think I'm in the halfway. It's very hot. It's even 4:30, almost 5 p.m. It's not really sunny, but it's so hot. To the good shoe, always remember to take some mosquito repellent or something, because it's obviously so many mosquitoes here. Already got few bites, nasty bites, and yeah, but at least I think it's no snakes here, so at least no snakes. Here we go. Here is an overview of the Ubud. Views like this, probably the hotels are nice. However, from this perspective, they looks little bit, yeah. You can comment below. What do you think about the constructions like this in Ubud? And that's how it looks, the path. So this is the start or the finish of the Campuhan Ridge walk. On the map, it start. People making some pictures over there, and obviously the gate looks like a gate to the temple. That's how it looks like. And just at the entrance, they are private villas, as you see, and the people making pictures. This is actually some local people own this villa. And here is the warung closed, and another warung here used to be waiting for the better times. So many nice houses. This is the old house, and in general, everywhere around, they are boutique hotels and small private villas. I mean, maybe not small, but the private villas, and also so many restaurants and warungs. That was quite a long trek, but I have to come back, so stay tuned. This is not over yet. But I have a question for you. If you would like me to go that direction, there is about 2 kilometers of the local restaurants, local houses, villas, also boutique hotels. This is quite a good place for your holiday potentially if you would like to live outside the Ubud center. It's very nice area, but definitely I cannot do it today. But comment below if you would like to see this in the near future. I can make it. I will just park my car somewhere there and walk. But next time, comment below if you would like to see that. And this small wee doggo seems like he's not happy when I'm making a filming here. So I'm gonna come back. I think one of this villa, because her name is for rent, and it's just literally at the front of the entrance to the Campuhan Ridge Walk. I need to fly drone also, show you around this area. Yeah, and doggo.
Outside the night is quiet, but there's a storm inside. My thoughts are on a riot, and I've got nowhere to hide. Try to talk to myself in this easy voice. It's better to pretend, but fake it till you make it. That's the choice. Well, don't you worry. Just like a smiling gold, I try to find this light switch to this grace, I suppose. And people say, don't you worry, there's no hurry, love will find you again. Just keep an open heart and leave a brand new start, and love will find you again. Just hold your head up high, there's a million reasons why, and love will find you again. You may be dying right now, but I know somehow love will find you again. Don't you worry, there's no hurry, love will find you again.
That's it for today's vlog. I also flew the drone, so I make few beautiful shots. I hope so you enjoy. Comment below if you ever been here, or would you like to come here. Of course, maybe without mask, but obviously yes, in this place. It's not that hard actually, but definitely something for mosquitoes. And the proper shoe. I mean, that's it from me from today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.